round number 2. Wala hong duda kung sino nakakuha nun. And we have Manny Pacquiao taking rounds 1 and 2 against Oscar De La Hoya. Seem to be confused dito sa fight na ito.
Gino, might pick up natin, no? Is the instructions from the corner of Oscar De La Hoya. Ang sabi ni Nacho Barista, no caminas. So meaning to say, he wants more energy from Oscar De La Hoya. He seems to be just walking. And he needs more jabs and he needs more combinations.
De La Hoya has accepted some of the punches already. Tinatamaan na siya sa mukha, and there's a cut, small cut on the bridge of the nose of De La Hoya from the left hand that Pacquiao has been landing.
Pacquiao again connecting with the left. Almost at will is that left of Manny Pacquiao connecting.
And that jab of Oscar De La Hoya.
Tama, dalawang beses, oh.
For Oscar De La Hoya, he's now already moving in and dictating the distance also for himself.
But why is that Manny Pacquiao changing up? Ngayon, babato niya yung kanan niya to try and confuse Oscar De La Hoya. Ito, bumagal ng konti yung ating action. Both fighters now feeling out each other, trying to get acquainted again with the range.
Well, you know, it's important that Manny continues with his side-to-side movement because that's where he's getting the angles to throw his punches. Pag harap-harapan ito, mahihirapan si Manny because may disadvantage na ang kalaban.
And Oscar De La Hoya goes to the body, hitting Manny Pacquiao dito sa may bandang kanan na tagiliran.
That came from the left, the wanted left hand of Oscar De La Hoya, but that left hand of Manny got out of the face.
Hindi
Oscar De La Hoya.
And you notice, pagpasok ng left, bigla siyang iikot para hindi siya ma-counter ni Oscar De La Hoya. So, great strategy of defense by Manny.
Sabi nga kanina ni Mike, importante dito, yung execution, yung strategy, yung fight plan, yun ang lahat ng magkaka-translate dito sa pagkakapanalo.
Notice when he throws that left hand, that right foot moves out just on the right left side ni Oscar De La Hoya, kaya hindi nakakaporma si De La Hoya dahil pumapasok yung left hand. Assuming kasi that the right is going to be thrown by Pacquiao. Nakauna na natin kaliwa.
Hindi yung tapang ni Manny Pacquiao, trying to throw an upper to the midsection itong si Oscar De La Hoya. So Manny Pacquiao is really mixing it up. Yun ang pinaka-importante rito. Then he goes with that left knee. Left straight actually. And he goes to the body and doubling it up with that hook to the head. Well, Manny Pacquiao is all confidence dito sa first round.
That's right. The first 2 rounds was confidence builders. Sabi nga ni Tito that lead is a psychological lead. This 3rd round, difference of rhythm, but still Manny Pacquiao, I think, is dictating how this round is going to end.
Yung sinasabi sa atin ni Bruno Fernandez before this fight, yung gagawin ni Manny, that he's not going to throw too many 1, 2, 3 combinations. Nangyayari yun, ha? He's just throwing 2 punches at a time, then moving away. And maganda ang timing ni Manny, no? Nag-chase pa kanya si Oscar De La Hoya. So